What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best mirrorless cameras 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered for more information on the products. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Our next product is Canon EOS R5. The Canon EOS R5 is a great option for experienced and professional users that require excellent image quality for both stills and video. The R5 captures 45 MP stills that can easily be cropped and video footage that shoots uncropped 8K RAW at 30 fps. Its performance in low light is solid thanks to the -6 EV autofocusing detection range. This camera can practically see in the dark. There's low image noise across the ISO sensitivity range thanks to the custom-designed DIGICEX image processor. The R5 also comes with better dynamic range thanks to the improved auto lighting optimizer ALO and highlight tone priority plus technology. This makes it easier for those newer to image processing to get clearer contrasted images of dark subjects. Also, due to the wider diameter and closer flange range of the RF mount in the EOS R5, it can take advantage of improved optical designs with sharper results and smaller form factor lenses, making it more portable. The R5 can use its 5-axis stabilization up to a whopping 8 stops, even on lenses without image stabilization because of the in-body image stabilization (IBS) technology. This IBS technology works well when shooting video, although it doesn't quite perform as well as expected when capturing 8K RAW footage. During our review of the Canon EOS R5, we found the tracking to be spot on, and it had one of the fastest autofocus systems we've used. Our next product is Nikon Z9. We recently carried out a Nikon Z9 review, and to say we were impressed is a huge understatement. The only reason it didn't quite get 5 stars is that it's somehow just too good for astrophotographers. It is overkill, and there is no need to spend this type of cash if astro is what you're going to be shooting the most. Having said that, if you enjoy taking pictures of landscapes, people, animals, and some astro on the side, of course, this camera is head and shoulders above the competition. It is simply one of the best Nikon units you can buy, provided you have around $5,500 at your disposal. It is fully weather-sealed and incredibly rugged. Nikon claims it will continue to operate at -10 degrees Celsius, although we didn't test this during our review. The battery life is exceptional, even when we were shooting with it in the cold for 3 to 4 hours, including lots of long exposures and regularly changing settings. We only used 20% of the fully charged battery. That is impressive. The autofocus is very fast, even in low light, giving you the best opportunity to capture fleeting moments at special occasions, such as weddings or sporting events. Our next product is Nikon Z7II. The Nikon Z7II turned things up a notch from the Z7 with more advanced compatibility and better image processing. Released back in 2020, it provides extremely sharp 45 MP stills and high-quality, smooth 4K UHD 60p video. Shooting for longer periods is possible thanks to more efficient energy consumption. Great for those long-exposure astrophotographs. It can be exposed to all types of weather without worry thanks to its sturdy magnesium alloy body and complete weather sealing. Though if you exclusively shoot astro, bad weather is rarely an issue anyway. Paired with the razor-sharp Z-series lenses, it's priced mainly at serious and professional shooters. In our Nikon Z7i review, we noted that it feels like a mini Nikon DSLR with similar button placement, controls, and command dials, so it should feel familiar if you're making the switch between the two. We were particularly impressed with its low light capabilities and how good it was when shooting astro. Although the screen is tilt only, we didn't mind, as it means all of the buttons are still at a fingertip's reach in the dark, so no need for headlamps or torches, which may damage your night vision. Its superb handling of image noise really stood out to us too, and we found noise to be almost unnoticeable until we pushed it up to ISO 2500. Our next product is Olympus OMD-EM10 Mark IV. A micro four thirds image sensor means there's less surface area to capture light. Despite this, Olympus has managed to pack a lot into this stylish little camera that fits in your pocket. Thanks to numerous worthwhile changes, such as a better sensor, quicker focusing, and generally a more refined package, we have replaced version 3 of this model in this guide with this version 4. During our review of the Olympus OMD-EM10 Mark IV, we liked the well-sculpted and ergonomic right-hand grip, which let us operate the chunky camera controls one-handed. The flip-down 3-inch responsive touchscreen makes it easy to compose shots aimed at unusual angles. It even flips down 180 degrees for vlogs and selfies. One thing we do miss is weatherproofing, so it can't be used in poor weather conditions. Although if you're using it for astrophotography, you'd unlikely be out shooting in poor weather anyway. And you also have to be mindful of dust ingress. 20MP stills compete with full-frame mirrorless cameras in terms of image resolution, and it can even shoot 4K UHD 30p video. Though the ISO range 200-6400 is more limited than other cameras in this roundup, although usually most astro shooters will want to keep ISO as low as possible to avoid image noise, which means 6400 or 25,600 expanded is more than ample. Our next product is Sony A1. If you were looking to buy a camera to rule them all, this might be your dream camera, although, as we discussed in our hands-on Sony A1 review, it comes with a huge price tag, so it is likely restricted to professional photographers or anyone with a very large budget. You'll be able to capture every star in the sky thanks to a massive 50.1MP stills resolution that is matched by 8K 30p video, a class-leading electronic viewfinder, and in-body image stabilization of 5.5 stops. The menu system is one of the best we've seen from Sony. It has incredible specs and is ideal for astro work. The expandable ISO range up to 100 and 2400 allows for some stunning astrophotographs. 15 stops of dynamic range mean those pinpoints of bright, starry light are captured just as easily as the darkest patches of clear skies. Another neat feature is lossless compressed files. Lossless compressed is practically the same image quality as uncompressed RAW files, but the camera finds intelligent ways to get rid of some unnecessary information, thus making the file size about half that of an uncompressed RAW file. Your storage system and computer processor will thank you for this. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.